show. Today I want to share with you my brand new portable Bluetooth speaker. This is the JBL Flip 5 and I got this guy because I wanted something I could throw in the shower and listen to some beautiful music inside. Now I went to the JBL stand in my local shop. I went through all the different models of these JBL Bluetooth speakers. They got so many of them, and this is actually the best sounding one. This is the Flip 5. Make sure you check this one out. The big ones, they do get louder, but the sound sounds a bit too bassy and muffled, especially the Charge 4. That one, I'd avoid that one if you can. But this one, it is very, very beautiful sound. I have an audio test for you very soon, comparing it against the phone and another Bluetooth speaker. But look at the quality and the design. Now I did get the pink edition of it, and I gotta say, in real life, the pink, it doesn't look as good as the case and the online photos. It looks very, very bland. I think it's because the speaker grill, it makes it look black. And to be honest, the one I got, there is actual blemishes on it. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like, I don't know, a dog's taken a little leak on it. So I do not recommend this color. I'll actually be going back to the shop and trading it in for a black one. But functionality wise, it accepts USB-C, makes nice sounds as you can hear there, accepts USB-C, it's got a charging light, easy to connect to Bluetooth, Bluetooth 4.2. You've got this ring functionality which apparently allows you to connect to other speakers, this edition kind of speakers together to make some party boom. Originally I wanted the small one, the clip one, because I heard that was good, but the quality that comes out of this one is so much better, and it does get louder. So now I just want to give you a quick sound test. But this one, it is very, very boomy. You miss out on all the high and the mids. You really just get bass with this Trevolo. This one, oh my God, the sound that comes out of this, it is so beautiful. The levels are just perfect. It sounds beautiful for the ears, and it's not just good for music, it's good for public speaking, listening to lectures online. If you want to listen to like Nigel Farage, that kind of stuff, this is the one for you. And finally the phone, you know, it's quite, you know, I'm going to do a volume test to actually show you how much more loud this one gets.
Hey guys, welcome to Dr. Norris Intake episode. I'm going to talk to you all about the Wahoo virus. Dr. Norris Intake episode. I'm going to talk to you all about the Wahoo virus.
Now, one thing I got to say is when you are playing with the volumes, you get two versions of the volumes. One is the volume you can choose on the phone, and secondly is the volume you choose on the actual speaker itself. Because when you put it on maximum volume, the sound does get a little bit distorted. So I recommend you just lower it by 3 or 4 and then use the phone to control the show. So I gotta say, this is the best portable speaker I've used in my life. Again, be careful if you're getting pink. It doesn't look as good. It actually looks to me like one of those 60s hair rollers. And yeah, so just make sure you don't get pink because it looks a bit weird. What you get in the box, let me just show you. Beautiful presentation, comes all out. Interestingly enough, it opens up from the bottom. You get the beautiful packaged speakers inside this apparatus inside here. It's not just manuals, you actually get some cool stuff. For example, look at that, a USB-A to USB-C cable. Quick start guide. Obviously you don't need to follow that because you got this video done. Amazing, beautiful presentation, cheap, good speakers. I like it. Hope you guys found this portable speaker review useful, and let me know what speakers you guys are using out there on the interwebs. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Well, look at this. Look at this. It can kind of, unless you got Donald Trump hands, you're gonna really struggle with this. Oh, there it is. There you go. It's got a play pause button as well.